The Irvington Union Free School District is at the core of the community. Thousands of students have come and gone through the doors of Dow's Lane Elementary School, Main Street School, Irvington Middle School, and Irvington High School to become leaders and contributors to our society. Our district's high-performing students are supported by a 21st century education program. We work hard to ensure this program is delivered in appropriate instructional environments that maximize efficiency. But years of use and the natural life expectancy of building systems has compelled the Board of Education to research and finalize a relatively short list of priorities for facility changes, modifications that are largely focused on energy efficiency in our buildings and better, safer field environments for our students and community. These priorities have been packaged into a proposed bond issue for which a referendum will be held on October 7th. This video shares with our residents the conditions the district is trying to address and the facts of the project. The project was developed through the use of two committees. The Buildings and Grounds Subcommittee of the Board of Education examined the facilities infrastructure priorities guided by the district's state-mandated 5-year facility improvement report and ongoing research of recommendations by the district's architect. A committee of residents known as the Fields Project Committee worked for roughly 8 weeks to research suggested modifications to substandard conditions at Mazzaro's Field, the Ole Track, and East Field, which has been closed for 2 years due to investigations of non-native fill material beneath the surface. Let's take a closer look at the recommended areas of improvement. At Dow's Lane Elementary School, the district's heating and ventilation systems date to 1955. They are currently unable to be repaired and will be replaced with more modern, energy-efficient systems. Leaky gym roofs at Main Street School will be replaced with a rubber material that requires less maintenance and is more durable. The school's boilers will also be changed from oil to gas, which will provide cost savings. Boiler controls will be replaced at the Main Street School and the high school middle school campus. The current district office temporary unit was placed on location for temporary use 15 years ago. It is now proposed that the offices be moved from the deteriorating modular facility into renovated space at Dow's Lane. This will be combined with the creation of a new ADA-compliant nurse's office for students and the creation of a new principal's office to move the building entry back to its proper location. This bond also will transform the current dust bowl between the middle school and gym, a persistent problem well known to students, staff, and parents, into a usable common space for students. On the same campus, vestibules will be added at the middle school entrances to improve temperature management and conserve energy. Conversion to LED energy-efficient lighting fixtures for 3 of our gyms will also take place, reducing energy consumption, saving money, and improving lighting quality. Here's a summary of the 10 major facilities projects included in the proposal. Irvington's athletic facilities are used year-round and bear the brunt of physical education programs, athletic teams, and local community organizations. Committee analysis has demonstrated that our field inventory is too low for the usage requirements of the district and community. Working closely with the New York State Department of Environmental Conservation and New York State Department of Health, the district has created a plan to remediate East Field and make it usable again for our students and the community. Improved drainage, a soil cap, irrigation, and a natural grass playing surface is proposed and in conformance with state agency expectations. The field will remain closed until these improvements are completed. This project also proposes an organic infill, artificial turf at Mazzaro's Field, which will improve drainage, promote expanded usability, and eliminate the substandard conditions that have plagued the field for many years and rendered it unusable for competition at times. The committee's recommendation of an organic infill artificial surface was grounded in the simple reality of excessive use and existing field inventory. Many districts in Westchester face a similar reality, and the majority have installed artificial surfaces as an antidote to these conditions. The Ole Track will also be renovated with a mid-grade rubberized running surface, making it once again usable for athletic competition, in addition to use for the community. It is expected that these modifications will modestly decrease the district's maintenance costs to the field and track in the coming years. but the driving force here is the immediate, expanded usability of the surface. Here's a summary of the field's projects. The total cost of the proposed bond is $4,602,656. The starting tax levy impact is expected to be $84,163 in 2015-16. This is the net amount after retiring debt service is applied. Though individual assessments vary, the project will cost approximately $28 in 2015-16 for a home valued at about $700,000. However, the combination of declining facility debt service and anticipated state building aid will likely offset the tax levy increase in future years. The Board of Education and Administration believe that planned investment to address building systems that have exceeded their useful life, along with occasional modifications to instructional spaces, are considerations that must be made to preserve the safety and efficiency of our instructional environments. Prior to October 7th, the district will provide multiple opportunities for the community to learn more about their bond project through public forums and the distribution of print resources. Additionally, numerous informational documents can be found on the district website, www.irvingtonschools.org, by following the link to Fields and Facilities Renovation Resources. Remember to vote October 7th, 2014.